9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome.
Hi, this is Alana Montilla, a Russian student.
Alana Montilla, a Russian exchange student. She curious about the Filipino culture.
Hello, I am JB Alfornan.
JB Alfornan, a Filipino student, a friend of Alana, who willing to share him Filipino culture.
Hi, I am Mary Princess Alcozales.
Mary Princess Alcozales, a young Filipino student, a friend of Alana, a proudly Filipina too excited to share her culture. I've been so curious about Filipino culture since I arrived here. I should ask Princess Injibi about it.
Hey Princess, hey Injibi, are you open and interacting? Can I join you guys for a bit? Of course, Alana, join us. How's everything going? Are you okay? Adjusting to life here?
Yes, we're here just talking about the different cultures here. I'm sure you're still getting used to things what's on your mind.
I've been wondering about Filipino culture. There are so many things I don't know. Actually, I've been really curious about Filipino culture. Can you tell me how things are different here compared to Russia?
Well, first of greetings are big difference in here in Philippines. When we greet our friends, we hug or give a kiss on cheek, especially if we were close.
Yes, and we always say hi or hello with a smile. Even strangers might greet you like this.
That's so different from Russia. We usually just shake hands or nod politely, especially with people we don't know well.
In Filipino culture, we really value respect, especially for elders. We say po and opo when talking to elders. People show to respect.
Yes, even with our friends, we make sure we're polite and we always try to maintain our positive attitude. In Russia, we also respect our elders, but we're a bit more formal and might not use as many honorifics like you do. It's all about being polite and considerate. Filipinos are known for being warm and friendly when we talk. We avoid being too blunt or harsh, and we try to keep things light-hearted.
Yeah, we don't like confrontation. We prefer talking things through gently.
In Russia, we're more direct when we speak, especially if something bothers us. If there's a problem, we usually just say it out loud. I've noticed that you guys are not as strict with the time here. In Russia, we're taught to be punctual. If you're late, it's a big deal.
Yeah, in the Philippines, we have what we call Filipino time, which means it's okay to be a little late. We don't mind waiting or being a few minutes behind.
But we still try to show up on time for important events or work. It's just that they tend to be more relaxed.
Family is the most important thing for Filipino. We're super close to our families. It's very common for children to stay with their parents even they're older or even after they get married.
Yeah, family gatherings are big for us. Holidays are always spent with family.
In Russia, we also value family, but once we're adults, we tend to live independently. We still visit our parents, but it's not the same as in the Philippines.
We're very touchy in the Philippines. We hug or we hold hands with close friends and family. Public display of affection are also common, especially among couples.
Even with the close friends, it's normal to be physically affectionate.
We're not as open with physical touch in Russia. We have close friends and family, but public display of affection are less common. It's more private. In the Philippines, education is super important. We work hard to finish school and get good grades. Parents often push us to do our best.
Yeah, education is seen as a way to improve our lives, so we value it a lot.
In Russia, we also prioritize education, but the system is a bit different. University is often free, so it's easier for people to pursue higher education. I believe that in the Philippines, people don't mind standing close to others in public places. It feels a bit more crowded sometimes. In the Philippines, personal speech as much was an issue. We're used to being close people even in lines.
We just don't mind it. It's no big deal.
In Russia, we value personal space more. If something is standing too close, it feels uncomfortable. We try to keep a distance, especially in public.
Wow, I didn't realize how different things were both. I think it's cool how we all on our unique ways in doing things.
Yes, it's all about learning from each other. Our cultures may be different, but it makes our friendship even more interesting.
I'm really glad I got to learn about Filipino culture today. It's so warm and welcoming, and I can see why you guys are so close with your families and friends.